In Java, a for loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specified number of times. The basic syntax of a for loop consists of three parts: the initialization, condition, and increment. The initialization part initializes a variable before the first iteration, the condition part specifies when the loop should terminate, and the increment part updates the variable after each iteration. Enhanced for loops are used to iterate over arrays and collections in Java, providing a more concise syntax than traditional for loops. This allows developers to focus on the logic of their program without worrying about managing indices or looping variables. To demonstrate a classic for loop, consider the following example. This tutorial is brought to you by Malik Abualzait.